Good morning, you got me on my knees.
Door, can you open up the door? I know you said before you can't cope with anymore. You told me it was for such a
Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang, bang.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we are talking about something timeless, something bold, and something truly stylish. Women's leather knee-high boots, classic leather long boots, and leather leggings fashion. Take a slow breath, because leather fashion is not just about clothes. It's about confidence, it's about attitude, and it's about how you carry yourself. Leather has always had power. When a woman wears leather, something changes. The walk becomes stronger, the posture becomes sharper, the energy becomes bold yet elegant. Especially knee-high boots. They are not just shoes, they are a statement. They say, I know my style, I know my worth, I am confident. And that confidence shows before you even speak. Let's talk about leather knee